In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable ChatGPT in Microsoft Edge. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open up your Microsoft Edge browser. Go ahead and double-click on its icon from your desktop. Once the browser opens up and your homepage loads, take a moment to glance at the top right corner of the screen. You should see 3 horizontal dots lined up. This is where we'll start. Click on those dots to pull up the main menu. Now, once that menu appears, move your cursor down until you hover over the Extensions option. This will open up a side menu, and from there go ahead and click on the button that says Get Extensions for Microsoft Edge. What this does is it opens up a brand new tab for you, taking you directly to the official Microsoft Edge add-ons page. Once that page fully loads, look over to the left side where you'll notice a search bar. Click inside that search bar, type in ChatGPT, and hit Enter. We're searching for the specific extensions we want to add to our browser. After a moment of scanning through the search results, look for the extension titled Free ChatGPT Assistant for Search. Go ahead and click on it. This action should bring you to its details page. Now, on this extension details page, take a brief moment to read through the description and the features it offers. It's always good to know what you're adding to your browser. Afterward, direct your focus to the right side of the page, where you'll see a blue Get button. Click on that button to initiate the installation process. A pop-up window will appear at the top of your browser, asking if you'd like to add the free ChatGPT Assistant for Search to Microsoft Edge. Go ahead and confirm this by clicking the button that says Add Extension. Now, you may want to sit tight for just a moment while the browser works its magic, checking and installing the extension. Once the installation is successful, a new options page will automatically pop open in another tab, allowing you to explore the settings if you wish. Now, let's see how this extension works. Go ahead and open a new tab in the Edge browser. Navigate back up to the top right corner again, and take a look at the extensions icon, which looks like a puzzle piece. Click on it, and in the drop-down menu that appears, you should see our newly installed free ChatGPT Assistant for Search extension listed. Clicking on it will cause a handy sidebar panel to slide out on the right side of your screen. This sidebar is where all the ChatGPT magic happens, integrated directly into Edge. To test it out, click inside the text input box at the bottom of this panel where it instructs you to enter your message here. Type in something simple, like a friendly hi, and then click on the Send button right next to the text box. Instantly, you'll see your message sent off, and the assistant will quickly process your input and reply back to you seamlessly within that sidebar. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled and are now using ChatGPT directly inside the Microsoft Edge browser. I hope this walkthrough was helpful for you. If you found this helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.